Several rabbit species are endangered due to habitat loss, climate change, predation, and human activities threatening their survival. Here's an overview of notable endangered rabbit species based on current research. Riverine rabbit, also known as Bunolagus monticularis, found in South Africa's Karoo Desert. This critically endangered species has fewer than 250 individuals. Its habitat along seasonal rivers is impacted by agriculture, leading to significant population declines. Unlike most other rabbits, the riverine rabbit has a low reproductive rate, producing only 1 or 2 offspring each year. Columbia Basin. Pygmy rabbit, scientifically known as Brachylagus idahoensis, is a distinct population. Native to Washington state, this pygmy rabbit is the smallest in North America and listed as endangered under the U.S. Endangered Species Act. Threats include habitat fragmentation, wildfires, and loss of sagebrush, essential for their food and shelter. Conservation efforts continue, but the population remains endangered. European rabbit, also known as Oryctolagus cuniculus. Widespread as an invasive species, the European rabbit is endangered in its native range on the Iberian Peninsula. Myxomatosis, hemorrhagic disease, and habitat loss threaten European rabbits severely. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists it as endangered, which is crucial for predators like the Iberian lynx. The Amami rabbit, Pentalagus furnesi, is a primitive rabbit species endemic to Amami and Tokunoshima Islands, Japan. The Amami rabbit is endangered due to habitat destruction, deforestation, and predation by introduced species like mongooses, dogs, and cats. With a population of around 5,400, its survival is highly precarious due to low reproduction. The volcano rabbit, Romerolagus diaci, is one of the smallest rabbit species. It lives in the mountains near Mexico City. Endangered due to habitat loss from livestock grazing, agriculture, and human encroachment, which significantly reduces its zacaton grassland habitats. Only 6,000 volcano rabbits remain in fragmented habitats today. New England cottontail, also known as Silverlagus transitionalis, is native to the northeastern United States and faces decline. This rabbit faces decline due to habitat loss from forest maturation and development. It's endangered in Maine, with fewer than 300 individuals remaining, scattered across just a few small towns in the state. Shrubland restoration is underway to help species recovery efforts. Annamite striped rabbit, also known as Nesolagus timinsi, discovered in the late 1990s in the forests of Vietnam and Laos. This elusive species is endangered due to poaching and deforestation. Little is known about its population size, but its restricted range and ongoing threats place it at high risk. These species highlight a common theme. Many endangered rabbits are habitat specialists, vulnerable to environmental changes and threats. Conservation efforts like habitat restoration, predator control, and breeding programs are critical to their survival, despite challenges like climate change and urbanization. Out of 63 wild rabbit species, 22 are near threatened or endangered, highlighting their plight despite their prolific breeding.